Hey everybody, this is Jessica Lynn of JessicaLynnOriginal, and I am so excited to bring you another new card today. Today I thought it would be fun to draw a seasonal version of It's a Small World. So I went ahead and drew the outside of the building. Now it is the one in California. Very different fronts if you are familiar or not familiar. Disneyland has a outdoor entrance where you get on the boats, and in Florida you actually go ahead and get into a building and then you launch on the boats. But this is the exterior, so the way that they've done it is they put this beautiful little Christmas hat on top of the clock. Everything is in whites and golds except for the Christmas hat. So I hope that you enjoy my coloring. Whenever I go through and design something for JessicaLynnOriginal, I draw everything with a black ink pen. And then what I love to do is go ahead and scan it and then do a practice color to see if it'll be something that could become a good stamp. Obviously this one was just done for fun, but I did use quite a few different Copic markers, and I will try and show it down on the right hand corner so you can see what color I'm using as we go through. And what I like to do is build up color with the Copics and then come back in afterwards with a glitter pen. It just makes the colors much more dynamic. While I was working on this, I was referencing a photo of the exterior of It's a Small World out in California, and I realized I had missed one extra line, so I just went ahead and drew it on there. Again, this one I drew just for fun. I hope you guys are enjoying this. As you can see, I'm just building up with the gold glitter. I really think this is going to turn out great. I am so excited to see how this card is going to finish up. Once I had it all ready to go, I went ahead to get some cardstock, and oh my goodness, look at the adorable little photo that I found. Okay, I'm going to share it with you. Oh, anyway, that is my daughter, Celine. I just wanted to share it with you guys. It was so cute. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and put this on a card base. I always get a little worried when I do this because I color it on a separate piece of cardstock and then I mount it onto the card base, and I'm always afraid that I'm going to end up cutting it wrong, or I'm going to do something stupid or mess it up, especially because I've already done all the work. Fingers crossed. Let's go ahead and see what happens. Oh, it turned out good. I'm super excited. I love it. Yay! So I am going to take some blue Copic markers, and I'm going to go ahead and just sort of do some gradation. I want to put in this darker blue, and it doesn't look very darker blue on this picture, but it dries kind of more a gray blue. And then what I'm going to do is add a turquoisey green. Well, they call it aqua. So I'm going to add some aqua to it. I think that'll definitely help. So let me go ahead and color in that sky. I think what I really like is that the color blues that I picked really made all the silver and gold just sort of pop off the card. I really like that, which is what it really does when you're at Disneyland in California. I almost wish that I should, you know what I wish I could have done? I wish I'd have taken that little head and just cut it off and put it on a spring so that it could have kind of bounced back and forth like it does at Disneyland. But always make sure you sign the back of your cards. Remember, they're your art and your creation. I am in love with it. I think it looks so cute. I love doing custom drawings, custom art. This card was just, again, for fun. I thought, let's do another Christmas card. I hope that you enjoyed watching our video. If you did, please give us a thumbs up, share it, comment below. I'd love to hear from you. If it's the first time you've ever come and visited my channel, awesome, welcome. We're super happy to have you here. Thank you again. And again, if you like what I'm doing, my website is JessicaLynnOriginal.com.